Hey everyone, and welcome to Green Minimalist Life. Christmas is coming and you're still looking for the right sustainable gift idea? Well, in this video I will share my general thoughts on gifts, and also you will get some inspirations on sustainable gift ideas. Gifts are a great thing, whether it's for a birthday of a friend, Christmas, for a family member, or any other occasion. We hope to make that person happy and show our appreciation with what we buy. However, looking for a gift can be sometimes challenging as we lack of ideas, or that person simply has everything he or she needs. This may lead to accumulating of unnecessary things that we do not use, and this at the cost of the environment. Therefore, I would like to share my general thoughts on gifts, and I will give you some inspiration for sustainable and eco-friendly gift ideas. Let's get started. But before I dive into the sustainable gift ideas topic, I would like to share my general thoughts on gifts. Generally, I'm trying to look for gifts that the person actually needs. Of course, you might not know every time what the person needs. That's why I think that it's totally fine to ask the person what he or she needs. I know it won't be a big surprise then for the person, yet I think it's better than buying something the person will not take much benefit of it. Also, I think that gift coupons, especially from sustainable brands, are a great option. If you know where the person goes shopping frequently, for instance, when he or she likes to buy music from Apple, then a gift voucher is a good option as the person will most likely make use of it. So, let's come to some inspiration for gift ideas, which I've categorized to the following topics. First, time. We are so used to buy material products as a gift, but there is a new trend slowly coming in, namely time, a valuable resource in today's hectic world. But what does giving time actually mean? How you want to share your time with a person is entirely up to you, but the following ideas can serve as an inspiration. First, a movie night. Watching movies or inspiration documentaries together are a great thing, especially if you like the same kind of genres. A friend, for example, made a little surprise when her mom came to visit her. They went to an outdoor movie theater, and she prepared a box of sweets and beverages to snack while watching the movie. She told me that it was a great and different experience to watch a movie in a different setting. So check out whether you have options like these in your regional hometown, or otherwise just do it at home. Second, doing picnic. Another great thing where you can spend time together, especially with nature lovers, is a classic outdoor picnic. Just find a great place in your region where you can picnic and prepare a snack box with all your favorite things. Next, hiking in the mountains. Does the person like to hike? Then hiking together might be another great idea as a gift. Similarly to the picnic gift idea, you can prepare the hiking route and a box of snacks to make a memorable hiking experience. Next, cook together. If you love to cook or bake, why not give the gift of self-cooked dinner or cooking something together? There are great recipes to try it out, which you will find in the internet. Next, photos. You could sort through the photos on your phone and make an album. This is something that I gave my husband for Christmas. From the very first beginning we met, I collected also some little pieces during our travels, such as tickets from a museum or a card from a favorite restaurant in Rome. In the end, I made a photo album adding all these little collected things together with photos. If you do not have many photos and the person likes photographing, then you could find locations to make little photo shooting together. Lastly, massages. I'm sure that no one would ever say no to a massage. You can give a little massage around the neck while putting on some nice relaxing music on. So as you can see, the list can be endless. I guess that you can find the best time gift by finding out what the person actually likes. So let's come to the second sustainable gift idea, namely gift vouchers. As I already mentioned, gift vouchers are not a boring gift in my opinion. If the person does not really need anything at the moment, but you know that he or she might buy, for instance, a body lotion from Rituals, then a gift voucher is a great thing from where he or she goes shopping. You know at least that the person will take advantage of it in the near future. So think of what or where the person buys the things he or she needs regularly. Third, do-it-yourself kits. I've spotted many do-it-yourself kits on the internet where you can make your own beeswax, cloth, gin, soap, and so on. This is a great gift idea, especially when you want to make it together. So get some inspirations on the internet and perhaps you will find a do-it-yourself kit that the person will like and use. In case you want to do something yourself, you can find many ideas and their instructions on the internet as well, such as making your own chocolate, soap, and many more. Here you can find a website in German where you can find many do-it-yourself ideas and instructions, which I will link below in the comments section. Another great gift idea are social projects. Some people really do not want to get any materialistic thing, but highly value activities that support social projects. Here there are great projects for gifts. First is bee sponsorship. In Germany you can have a bee sponsorship. You do not only help to fight against the worldwide bees mortality, but you also give away honey. For the sponsorship of your own bee colony from the Scholz-Kessler apiary, for example, you receive 3 jars of honey, photos and a sponsorship certificate. Read more about the project here or look for similar projects in your regions. Next, giving donations are always a good idea. Some people seem to have everything already, but on the other part of the world, some people have almost nothing. Spending your money on a meaningful project can be a great gift idea where you help the people in need. At NABU, for example, you can give away a piece of nature, or at the Welthunger of Hilfe offers gift donations for various occasions. Lastly, buy local or sustainable products. In case you want to buy a gift, you can look for sustainable certified products. Here again, when buying something, think of whether the person really needs or will use the product. I've collected some ideas from our German sustainable Amazon store called Avocado Store and other brands, which you can use as simple inspirations. For example, a sustainable shower set, a thermal bottle with tea, a pear, olive or any other tree, a zero waste starter set, a sustainable bracelet from the 4Ocean project, or a 6-minute diary notebook for personal development. So, as you can see, there are many sustainable gift alternatives. My general thoughts is to buy only things that the person will actually need, and if necessary, just ask the person. Otherwise, look for sustainable gift alternatives. I've mentioned here some in this video, but of course there are many more. Do you have any other sustainable gift alternatives as an idea? Feel free to share in the comments below. I hope you were able to find some gift inspirations in today's video. That's from my side today. If you'd like to receive updates on sustainable videos, feel free to subscribe my channel. See you next time.